It's a great privilege and honor to be here at Roshel today, to tour the facilities, incredible engineering, incredible work, design, leadership in a very important area. Had a chance to look at the vehicles that are being manufactured here. I've been to Ukraine, I've spoken to soldiers on the front line, I've seen and heard from them how important these vehicles are in helping with the prosecution of that war as Ukrainians bravely defend themselves. So thank you to Roshel. Thank you to all the team here. Thank you to all the employees.
On behalf of Roshel, I would like to thank the Government of Canada, Prime Minister Carney, Minister McGuinty for the trust and the opportunity to support the Ukrainians with the best vehicles in class, Senator APC and MRAPs, that are going to protect and save lives of brave Ukrainians in uniform.
It's a mission that we cannot afford to get wrong. So hats off to Roshel and the progress we're making on behalf of Ukraine and, of course, for the Defence Industrial Base here in Canada.